Bhagavad Gita, Bite-Sized Learning, Episode 36, Sankhya Yoga, Shloka 7, 8, 9 and 10. Question: Who am I? कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यानिश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. My nature has been overpowered by the feeling of compassion, and my mind is caught in confusion. I am unable to decide what is the right thing to do. I take refuge in you as a disciple. Please guide me to the right path of duty, says Arjuna to Sri Krishna. Karpanyam means pettiness, and Karpanya dosham of Arjuna here is the pettiness of thought or inability to think big and understand the big picture. Nahi prapashyami mamapanudhya yachchokamuchchoshanam indriyanam avapya bhuma vasapatnamriddham rajyam suranam api chadhipatyam. I am unable to see any material solutions which can drive away my grief, which is burning and drying me up from inside. Even if I win over a prosperous kingdom which has no enemies and which has no threat of natural disasters, or even if I am given a kingdom which is equivalent to heaven, I am sure my grief will not go away. Sanjaya uvacha eva muktva rishikesham gudakesha parantapa nayotsya iti govindam uktva tushnim babhuvaha. Sanjaya spoke to Dhritarashtra. Arjuna fell silent after informing Krishna that he will not fight. Tamuvacha hrishikesha prahasanniva bharata senayorubhayor madhye vishidantamidam vachaha. Sanjaya continues to say, O king, Krishna seems as if he is smiling and spoke the following words to Arjuna. The 10th shloka ends at a very critical juncture where Sri Krishna is about to speak to Arjuna. We could discuss the above shlokas for hours together, but I will try to package the message in as few words as possible. Arjuna is in deep distress, and in shloka 7 he accepts the fact that he is caught in a storm of his own emotional distress. If I need to explain this in an easy to understand example, when a person is starving with hunger, if people around him offer garlands, gifts and praise-filled words, can he feel satisfied? Or can he be at peace? No, he needs food. He needs real food because he is starving. Arjuna is distressed emotionally, and in that state of mind, winning a kingdom or defeating his enemies suddenly seemed to be meaningless, as he is overcome by depression, and thus he declares that he has no intention to fight. Arjuna needs emotional strength at the moment. He needs to stand strong on his feet and face the reality. Is it not the same with every human? If he or she feels strong from inside, the person will feel good about life, will be ready to face challenges, and will exhibit a reasonable behavior. Emotional well-being is the root which holds a human strong and steady in life and ready to face life. The next episode, we will see Sri Krishna rendering the Bhagavad Gita. Could there be a more dramatic setting to learn lessons of life? Thanks for watching. Meet you soon.